Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Snake Pit number 1. This puzzle was designed by Yavuz Demirhan, a puzzle designer from Turkey. Difficulty level of the Snake Pit number 1 is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the box. As you can see now, we have a gap on this side of the box and one piece is sticking out right here. So we have to reorganize all the parts and fit them below the lid of the box. As you can see, the box has a couple of restrictions. There are 2 acrylic pieces, one on each side, and you can use only the middle opening to fit parts inside. This puzzle is made of wood and it has a Yavuz Demirhan logo on it and the name of the puzzle. It is Snake Pit number 1. There is Snake Pit number 2, but it has a smaller box and less pieces. This puzzle has 8 parts and it is called Snake Pit since the pieces look like a standing cobra. If you put them like this, it really reminds like a cobra if you have a nice imagination. And if I remove all pieces, I will show you how they are different, since at the first glance they look exactly the same, but actually this puzzle has 2 kinds of pieces. So these all look the same, and these pieces are actually almost the same, but they are mirrored projection of the first 4 pieces, and you have to figure out the way how to fit all of them inside the frame. The solution of the puzzle is quite nice. I really enjoyed solving it, and that is one of the best puzzles designed by Yavuz Demirhan in my opinion. If you like the Snake Pit number 1 puzzle and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.